Alright, we're gonna do some brakes on this Chevy Volt right here. They're rusted up. And I drove it for 45 minutes and they're still not cleaning up, so yeah, let's just do some brakes. Back right here. Can't hit the frame, the subframe, because my deck's too tall and this car's too small, so pinch weld it is. First, gotta check and make sure the suspension is good. Good. Alright. Zip zap the tire off. Make sure all your bolts stay together. Only a couple taps to get her off. That's pretty good. Alright. So now you can actually really see that she's rusted up pretty good. These are 10s and 21s. I should just be able to, I don't need to worry about that, but if I had to, just pop that off and scrape it over top. As long as you're careful, you should have no problem with it. Alright. Very little ugga-duggas to take those off. Once they're free, they mostly just wind right out. Yeah. Tilt your back. Pull on her a little bit, just to compress the caliper. And you can see the gap there. Yep, she's compressed. Over top and wiggle your pads right out. So wiggling out. And they're almost brand new, but I bet you the pins are seized. That one's got a nice groove cut in it. No? That one's a little tight. Alright. Just came back around. Alright, cool. So I don't know why they weren't compressing in there. Maybe they're glazed. Maybe, I don't know. Alright. Alright, so these 21s got all the ugga-duggas. Shit, take it off. Okay, maybe I gotta go get something bigger. Hold on. Alright, I had to go get a cheater bar to get those off because, you know, my battery's only at half life, so I guess it's starting to die. But I don't know. But pull these off, put them with our others. Take you off, put you there, and then I got that 27. ancient Chinese secret. The wire wheel, take off whatever you can. I don't know where my good wire wheel is at. And my drill's down at my shop, so. Pretty new rotor. Brake cleaner on here. All I'm really worried about is getting all the loose stuff off of here. Ooh. And that's just a reverse of what we did. That doesn't have to be super snug. It's on there too. Turn them until you guarantee that they're in, which is basically just when they start to slow down and they're not binding. I'm doing this with my left because I gotta hold the camera with my right. There. Squealer goes on the inside. Squealer goes on the outside. Sometimes they need a little love to get in there. That's fine. Caliper gets rotated around. Make sure you don't bind that hose. So if it's twisted or loop, it looks funny or it looks super tight, chances are it's not right. Again, just tighten these down. These things don't have 1,000,000 pounds on them. They only have, like I said, maybe 30 to 40 pounds on them, so you don't have to really jump on it, but you know. Put enough torque that it's not going to fall off, but at the same time you're not going to snap the bolts. Alright, let's get the tire remounted. On to the next one.